Hi guys, how are you doing? Happy long weekend because yesterday was Chinese New Year, the year of ox. So what I'm gonna do today is that I would like to give a review on last week's event, big event, the first virtual global event I attended. Usually for the past 10 years it was held locally, nationally, and it was offline, but yesterday was a grand. I didn't expect that the event will be such very huge like that. So it was Dynamic and Appreciation Night on February 6 and 7 2021. So here's my takeaway points which I would like to share with you, and I hope you can enjoy my review. Okay, I will see my notes first because we have 14 topics covering life aspects with 20 speakers. So the first one, on the first day, Mrs. Aileen Yang talked about dream and life, and what I can take from her was about to find your desires, feel good, feel alive, ask, write down what you want, what you have in mind for your dreams in life, and keep talking about your desires. Actions and miracles will follow. The next one was the couple, Papa and Mama Kwasi. They talk about mentoring program that barriers are always there, they said. Humility and humbleness when doing this mentoring program. And mentoring program is beyond money. You get many life values out of it. The third topic is about the power of faith brought by Mrs. Wardani and Mr. Ludwig from Surabaya, Indonesia. They talk about forgiveness and then cut out the connection from the past, surrender to God, and there's only God's plan. And you get second chance this year to fix whatever you have in your life. The next one, Papa and Mama Futso. They talk about the essence of leadership. And they said leadership is earned, leaders make a path. Leadership is an art of communication. And leaders represent God's characters. This is very, very interesting. And then there's topic about diversity creates synergy, presented by Mr. Felix Adipati and Mrs. Ati from Surabaya as well. And they shared that their difference has become their strength, and focus on similarity, not difference, and what you focus expands. The next one was my beloved sister and my beloved mentors, Mrs. Josahera Tejokosumo. She shared about born for a purpose. She said that we have to go through our process and then don't limit God, yeah, and find your purpose and fulfill it. Okay. The last session on the day, the first day, was closed by Mr. Onggi Hianata, but later on I will summarize on the second day. So the second day we have the first session. Mr. Matthias Kasih and Mrs. Foreign Kasih talk about financial blueprint to wealth. So there are two things that you should grow yourself, invest in on yourself, and then you have to find the right communities to support you. And actually, the financial blueprint actually started from the internal, not external. So you have to fix what's inside your mindset, okay? And manage your money well, use money jar concept, and need strong discipline and commitment. The next one, Mrs. Josian Jumbi talk about time management, and she said that she managed time for these 4 factors in her life. The first one for family, the second one for her health, and then her spiritual, and the last one for business and work. She focused on that. I think we also should focus on those elements as well. And then Mr. Yulianto talk about body and life, the sharing that about his health, that health is the foundation of wealth, and then you should create new habits, sleeping habits, meditation or reflection, and the new food habit. The third one, the fourth one, new exercise habit, and do it with friends. Then and then Mama Doti talk about character that count, and bootcamp really has changed her characters. Characters are the things that which we are appreciated in the society because of these good characters. Okay, Mrs. Philan Kwok, she shared about living in gratitude, and what she said, what we focus expense, so better focus on the blessings we receive. always live your life with gratitude and no judgment, no attachment. And Mrs. Yulianita Jokosumo, she talked about the seed of love, how to make God smiles. So that means I must fix myself and then find out who I am, forgive myself and forgive others. The next one, Dr. Raul Ruben and Nadine, they talk about trust, the power of trust, how to trust others. If you trust others, that means you have peace of mind. You will meet good people who will support your dreams. Of course, you will meet unkind people, something like that, but that's just the process that you have to go through. And then forgive your past. And to close all the points, Mr. Onggi Hianata, the founder of 55G and the founder of Bootcamp Value Your Life, he discussed about assets of life. So I just knew that there are 5 components. The first one, healthy physical body, pure heart, beautiful mind, pure soul, and high spirit. Our people can take away physical assets, other assets, but they cannot take away my life assets. Those are my points. Thank you so much to listen to this. We will have another virtual global dynamic and appreciation night on October 2021, so you have to be there, my friends. I highly recommend this. You will learn a lot, okay? So see you next time.